In this video, I'm going to show you how to quad box on YouTube TV, which allows you to watch up to 4 live streams simultaneously. This is especially useful for sports fans or anyone who wants to keep an eye on multiple games, shows, or events at once. Let's get started. YouTube TV offers a feature called Multi-View, which enables quad box viewing. To use this feature, start by signing into your YouTube TV account on a compatible device like a computer, Android TV, or Apple TV. Note that Multi-View isn't available on all devices, so check compatibility. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sports section or search for the live events you want to watch. Start playing one stream, then look for the Multi-View icon. It's usually represented by a grid or split-screen symbol located near the player controls. Click on it to activate Multi-View. From there, you can add up to 3 more live streams, creating a total of 4 simultaneous feeds on one screen. Use the layout options to resize or rearrange the streams based on your preference. If Multi-View isn't available on your device, another option is to use multiple devices. For example, stream one game on your TV while using a phone, tablet, or computer to watch others. Keep in mind that YouTube TV allows simultaneous streaming on up to 3 devices, so you'll need to manage your screens accordingly. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as streaming multiple feeds at once can be bandwidth intensive. If you're watching high-definition content, consider lowering the video quality on some streams to reduce buffering. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making the most of YouTube TV. Thanks for watching, and I hope quad boxing enhances your multitasking and viewing experience. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.